So whilst other people are liable to things like, for instance, these floods that have been ruining people's goods, if you have a high inventory turnover ratio, you're less likely to lose your goods because most of your goods are already in cash anyways, and you. Hello, today we speak about our inventory turnover ratio. The inventory turnover ratio tells us how many times we sell or replace our goods over a certain period of time. So let's say you, over a period of time, let's say 1 month, sold 5,000 worth of goods. Yet you have to calculate the average amount of goods that you have in your shop at every point in time. So say at every point in time you had 1,000 cedis worth of goods in your shop. That would mean your inventory turnover ratio is 5,000 Ghana cedis over 1,000 Ghana cedis, making it 5. It means within a period of 1 month you were able to restock 5 times, which, looking at all aspects of business, it's a good ratio. So why would you want your inventory turnover ratio to be high? There are benefits to having a high inventory turnover ratio. If your ratio is 5 over 1 year, it's a totally different story than if it's 5 over 1 month. For one, low storage cost. I mean, that's a no-brainer. You have less goods in your shop and you sell them very quickly. You don't spend a lot on rent and storage space. It also means you're doing quick sales, so you're very liquid. Everybody likes quick cash, quick business. It also means that you have a very fast cash conversion rate. You're able to convert your goods to cash very, very quickly, and there's nothing better than cash, to be frank. So whilst other people are liable to things like, for instance, these floods that have been ruining people's goods, if you have a high inventory turnover ratio, you're less likely to lose your goods because most of your goods are already in cash anyways, and you are holding a small amount of stock, risking less to damage and force majeure. And when more people buy your goods, you start to notice the trends. Who buys what, which moves fast, which moves slow, which will have you make better decisions. So try to know your inventory turnover ratio. As a high inventory turnover ratio will allow you to enjoy all the benefits that I've just mentioned, as opposed to having a low inventory turnover ratio, to which you would like to hold maybe a less amount of stock within that amount of time and replenish much quicker than you normally would in order to release capital for other stuff. That's all for today. Keep well.
Brought to you by Africa School of Entrepreneurship and supported by GCB Bank, your bank for life.